I'm now going to use the HHT to do a stock transfer. I'm going to move the quantities that I've booked in on the previous video, which are 2 over 4, 2 over 4.5 and 4 over 5. I'm going to scan all of those on the scanner in branch 2 and transfer them to branch 1. So I turn my scanner on, clear any data that's already on the scanner. I then go into set mode, stock transfer. I've got my source location, which is location 2. Destination location is 1, because I'm transferring it from branch 2 to branch 1. Source type, I already looked that up earlier, and my source type is 3. Destination type is also 3, because I want to move it within the same stock type. If I wanted to transfer it into, say, damaged, I could put a different stock type there. I'm not going to put a reference because I'm just doing a direct transfer. Okay, I then get the options of a draft transfer, a pending transfer, or a direct transfer. The difference between these, if I select draft mode, it will create a draft. It won't action the transfer. The items will be sat in a draft transfer. I can then edit them before committing them. If I select a pending transfer mode, it means that it creates the transfer and actions it so that they go into transit and they're waiting to be received in the other end. If I select direct, it means that they move directly into the other location without any interaction or booking in. For this example, I'm going to use direct. So select direct, and then go into data capture. I then need to scan 2 over size 4, 2 over size 4.5, and 4 over size 5. I'm now ready to upload this, so I go to the menu, go to Assets, Scanners, put it on COM11 and press Upload. Then on my scanner I need to go to the menu, I need to go to Send Data, ask if I'm ready, say yes, upload complete. If I now go and check that product, you now see that the quantities that I transferred from this location here are now sat in branch 1 in this location here. They've been added to the stock that was already there. And if I go into transfers and look at my historical transfers, here's the transfer that was created, moving that amount of stock from branch 2 to branch 1. So the mode that I showed you then was a direct transfer, which means there's no interaction at all via trims other than uploading the scanner. The items that you scan will move from the one location to the other. There's no booking involved, they just go straight there. If I wanted to have a situation where I transfer the goods out but then someone booked them in the other end, I would need to either do it as a draft transfer where someone actions it on trims, or I do it as a pending transfer, which means that it's already actioned but it's in transit waiting for someone to book it in the other end. They can choose to book that in via a scanner the other end or manually through trims.